My name is Dr. Martina Pirklova and I'm an implant dentist at Denture Solutions. Dental implants are famously known for replacing missing teeth and giving patients fixed solutions. Not many patients know that we can use dental implants for stabilizing loose and poorly fitting dentures. We see many patients that have been struggling for years, losing their confidence to eat out with their friends and family to avoid embarrassment. This treatment is becoming more and more popular, and even the World Health Organization is now recommending using dental implants for stabilizing dentures for all patients without lower teeth. We usually recommend minimum of 2 dental implants for the lower jaw and 3 dental implants for the upper jaw for stabilizing patient dentures. These implants are placed into the most favorable positions determined on a CT scan. Once they are integrated into a patient's jaw, we attach small retaining components like press studs, we call locator abutments. The implant retained overdenture has housing incorporated which are helping to stabilize the denture in place and make it feel very secure. So, what are the advantages of having your denture supported with dental implants? Well, number 1, your chewing function is going to be improved and your denture will feel a lot more stable and you will be able to enjoy your food without risking digestive problems. Number 2, you no longer need to worry about embarrassing situations. Number 3, your implant retained overdenture will be designed to support your facial structures and give you more youthful appearance. Number 4, you will never need to worry about using unpleasant denture adhesives again. And number 5, your denture can be still removed to ensure that you can easily clean around your implants and keep them healthy long term. Come and see me for your free dental implant consultation at Denture Solutions to find out more about your life-changing treatment.